Today I'll be showing you the new Car Builder Solutions catalogue. Just got this through the post. I've actually bought this to look at their fuel line systems, because I believe they're doing PTFE lines as well now for the new high ethanol based fuels. So you've got all the fuel lines and things in there. So yeah, I've got PTFE brake line hose as well. And these are all the brake lines as well, because I think I'm going to upgrade all the brake lines on the Celica. But I have actually got to, because the MO2 flagged up there's some corrosion on there. So I was going to go copper, but I might just upgrade and do PTFE all the way through. But I'm going to look through the catalogue anyway. They've got some lovely stuff in here. So I think I've got the fuel lines in here somewhere. There's the brake lines I was going to get. I might do that. Yeah, I don't know. I did copper on the Nissan all the way through, and it was quite an easy little job actually. I've done brake lines quite a lot before, so I might do that. Yeah, I don't know. I might. It's the PTFE fuel lines I'm more interested in. So I want to sort of future-proof the Nissan and the Celica as well. Maybe I have to get a different ECU, flex fuel sensors, etc., and different injectors at some point. Because the way things are going, I think a lot of petrol cars are going to be trying to get them out of the market. But you can see you've got everything in here. You've got nice steering wheels. A bit like a sort of Nardi sort of style, old-fashioned style. Yeah, very nice mounting. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so it's a nice little catalogue. So it's free to get online as well. Just go on their website and you can put your name and address in, and they send you a catalogue out for free. Quite addictive reading. Good bedtime reading. Yeah, amazing stuff in here. So just thought I'd share this with you and show you how much cool stuff's in it. I've actually used these before and had different pieces and bits and pieces for cars and projects I've done in the past, my old job, etc., and home projects. These are quite cool, exhaust joiners. I had one of these, if I might have seen on the Nissan video where I joined one together for the manifold. Got myself one of these. They're quite cheap. I think it's only like 20 quid, yeah, not even that, 18 quid. All the prices are in here as well. There's none of these weird price listed in a separate catalogue. You know, the VHT, that's really good stuff. Like I say, I'll use that on the exhaust as well on the Nissan. Like I say, I could go through the entire catalogue, but I don't want to bore you too much. But like I say, I bought it for their fuel line systems, and I thought it was really interesting, so I thought I might want to share it with you, see what you think. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And you can do the electric stuff, look. Leave me a comment below. I'll put the there's the carbuilder.com. If you just go on there as well, put your name and address in, they'll send you the catalogue out. There's their web details there as well. Pretty cool. So like I say, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.